Hey everybody, so I've been wanting to do this video for quite some time, but I haven't had a chance to actually do it. So this is my collection of the Louis Vuitton mini pochettes. One is an unboxing. The unboxing actually is not a true unboxing. I had gotten it last year in 2017. But at that time I didn't really have a YouTube channel, so I just went ahead and kind of did a true unboxing for myself. So I'm gonna go and unbox this particular one right here and show you all the details. So first, let's go ahead and show you the two pre-loved ones that I had bought on the Japanese market. So this one is my first one. This is the Damier Ebin print, and this one I've been using a lot. You know, for those who know the mini pochettes, I'm not gonna get too much into it. This one's made in France and it's in the Ebin print. This one is also pre-loved. I had bought through also through a Japanese reseller, and it came with a box and the leather bow, which I love. I'm so happy I was able to get a vintage box. And here it is. This is also a mini pochette, obviously, hence the video, and it's in the Damier Azur. Yes, also I think this is made in France as well. Sorry, the video camera is not capturing it, but yeah. So here it is. Inside it's just the cream colored fabric, and just lovely as well. And last but not the least is a new mini pochette. Well, I bought it new, obviously, and this one I was stalking the website for quite some time, and luckily I was able to one night just decide to go ahead and check the website, and it was available. So I just my heart was pounding, and I'm like, oh my god, I have to get this, because it is a limited edition from 2017. And yeah, I was able to grab it, and I'm so happy I was able to get it, because now, as you know, mini pochettes are very, very hard to find. Whether they're pre-loved or new, there's just not too many of them, and definitely a collector's item. So here we go. And again, I unboxed. This is not true unboxing, but I just want to go into details for you guys. If I can open this box. Oh gosh. There we go. Came with the bow and the little I guess card thing. Okay, the receipt is somewhere. I'm not sure. I'm not sure the receipt, but here it is. Ooh. Hopefully this is sharp enough. And this is from the 2017 Christmas collection, with the giraffes in the Damier Azur print. Of course, this is made in France. It's not focusing. There we go. Okay, and here we go. In the back, it's plain, but in the front you have the painted giraffes holding the various different kinds of LV bags. Inside is the cream colored fabric, like most of them, and here is the this is just coded fat, just description card. I don't have the product thing. Might be in here. So there you go. Just want to do this for you guys, and I haven't really worn this. I'm like afraid to actually use it, because I think sometimes I've heard from other YouTubers that the paint can peel off, and I really just want to kind of keep it as a collection piece. But maybe one day I'll wear it. I mean, it's Christmas time soon. And yeah, so that's my collection. Thanks for watching. Thank goodness the camera did not run out of battery. And yeah, hopefully I can get more active with this channel with more unboxings, but I'm trying to kind of save up for my another handbag, and that when I get that I'll definitely do an unboxing then. Okay, as always, thanks guys for watching. Have a great day.